In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols and emojis to Smartsheet drop-down lists. By the end, you'll know a simple way to make your sheets more interactive, organized, and easier to scan at a glance. This is a small tweak with a big impact. Visual cues like check marks, stars, and arrows can help your team interpret status or priority faster than text alone. All you need is your Smartsheet open and a web browser. Start by opening your browser and searching for the symbols or emojis you want to use. Emojis are a great choice because they're colorful and recognizable, but feel free to use any symbols that fit your workflow. If you're managing tasks, you might pick check marks for done, arrows for next steps, or stars for priority. Planning an event? Look for calendar, clock, or celebration icons. Type a keyword like star emoji or arrow symbol, and you'll find copy and paste sites such as Emojipedia or Get Emoji. Browse, then copy the symbols you want. Right-click and choose Copy, or use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. You can copy them one by one or grab several at once. Head back to your Smartsheet, choose the column where you want these visual options to live. If you already have a text-based status column, this is a perfect place to upgrade it. Right-click the column header and select Edit Column Properties. Change the column type to Dropdown. You'll see the area where you add drop-down values. Paste the symbols you copied into that list, placing each symbol on its own line so it appears as an individual choice in the menu. When you're done, click OK to save. If the symbols look cramped or cut off, adjust the column width so everything is easy to read. A little spacing goes a long way in keeping your layout clean and consistent. Now test it. Click into a cell in the new drop-down column and open the list. You should see your symbols ready to choose. Select one, and your visual indicator appears instantly. From here, you can use different symbols for completed tasks, items in progress, or high-priority work, whatever makes your sheet clearer for you and your team. That's all it takes to add visual punch to your Smartsheet dropdowns. If you ran into issues or have creative symbol sets you love, share them in the comments. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future Smartsheet tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.